Yeah, dear students, see, super trick to find paramagnetic and diamagnetic nature. See, for example, all odd electrons are paramagnetic in nature. Even electrons except to 10th electron and 16th electron shows diamagnetic in nature. See here, by MOT, we can calculate para and diamagnetic nature. See the examples, helium 2 plus. Helium, how many electrons? 2 electrons plus 2 plus means minus 1 electrons. So total number of electrons are 3. 3 means odd electron. Odd electron shows paramagnetic nature. Next, lithium, 3 plus 3. Total how many? 6 electron. 6 electron shows diamagnetic. Even number. Even number shows diamagnetic nature. Next, lithium 2 plus 6 minus 1. Total 5 electrons. 5 electron shows paramagnetic nature. It is a odd number. Next, nitrogen, 7 plus 7. Total 14 electrons. 14 electron is even number. Even number shows diamagnetic nature. Next, N2 minus 7 plus 7 minus means plus 1 electrons. Total number of electrons are 15. 15 is a odd number. Odd number shows paramagnetic nature. Next, N2 plus 7 plus 7 minus 1. So 14 minus 1, 13 electrons. So 13 electrons shows paramagnetic nature because it is odd number of electrons. Next, go to O2, oxygen. Oxygen, 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8, total 16 electrons. So it is the exception. Generally, even number shows diamagnetic nature, but 16th electron, that is oxygen, shows paramagnetic nature. It is a exception. 18 electron shows exception. Next, 16 electron shows exception. Next, 16, oxygen 16. 16 minus 1, 15 electrons. O2 plus 15. 15 shows paramagnetic nature. Next, O2 plus 2. 16 minus 2, that is 14 electron. 14 electron shows diamagnetic nature. Next, 16 plus 1, 17 electron. 17 electrons, odd number. Odd number shows paramagnetic nature. Next, O2 minus 2. 16 plus 2, 18 electrons. 18 electrons shows, what is that? Diamagnetic nature. Even number of electrons shows diamagnetic nature. Next, B2, 5 plus 5, 10 electrons. 10 electrons shows either even number generally shows diamagnetic nature, but except 16th and 10th electron. So 10th electron shows, what is that? Paramagnetic nature. See the exception. One is a B2, 10 electron shows paramagnetic nature. Second one is oxygen, 16 electron shows paramagnetic nature. Next, so these examples are related to homodiatomic molecules. Next we will go to heteroatomic molecules. Hetero means both atoms are different. See the carbon, 6 electrons, nitrogen, 7 electrons, minus means plus. So total 14 electrons. 14 electrons shows diamagnetic in nature. Next, CO plus, carbon 6, oxygen 8, then minus 1. So total 13 electrons. 13 electron shows paramagnetic nature. Next, carbon 6 electrons, then oxygen 8, minus means plus 1. Total number of electrons are 15. 15 shows paramagnetic nature. Odd number shows paramagnetic nature. Next, nitrogen 7 plus oxygen 8. Total 15 electrons. 15 electrons shows paramagnetic nature. Next, NO plus. NO, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, plus means minus 1. So total 14. 14 electron shows diamagnetic nature. So dear students, see the simple shortcut, that is a super trick for finding paramagnetic and diamagnetic nature. So all odd electron shows paramagnetic nature. Even number of electrons except to 10th and 16th electron shows diamagnetic nature.